Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CRV token. The price line of CRV has broken out a very big rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame, and in today's video, I want to share the next targets with you. But before moving to the chart and starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start this analysis. First of all, I would like to recall my previous analysis with you. This was the pattern, a harmonic reversal pattern that CRV formed in the month of September, and I shared with my members at the Patreon. And it was completing the final leg, in fact, of this harmonic bullish reversal bat move. And I told my members that we can expect a move towards the downside for the completion of this final leg that starts from $2.20 and goes to $2.04. And our target was $2.67 and goes to $3.17. Now I've played the chart and you can see that the price line reversed bullish, and it was, by the way, more than 150% move. I was expecting up to 55% move here. After that, the price line formed another harmonic reversal pattern that I shared on 8th of December with my members. And this was a bigger one because the previous pattern was on the 12-hour and this was on the daily time frame. And the price line was moved a little bit above this buying zone. Therefore, I told my members that the price line is moved up. Therefore, we can wait for the correction to buy it from the potential reversal zone or the buying zone. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price line gave us another chance by dipping inside this buying zone to catch it from this potential reversal zone and reverse bullish. And this was more than 100% move. Now let's move back to this weekly time frame. And here we can see that the price line entered here in this rising wedge pattern in the month of Feb 2021, and it was getting rejected again and again and getting bounced again and again by the support. Finally, we are out of the resistance of this big rising wedge pattern. Now we can expect a big move. If we take a look at the oscillator, then we can also see that the oscillator is also forming higher high, and the price line has already formed higher than previous high, as the current price line highest price is of this candlestick is $6.45, and the previous high was $6.39. So there is not any bearish divergence. And even if we switch to the auto chart from log chart, then we can see that here there is also not any bearish divergence, and on the auto chart we are moving in an up channel, not the rising wedge. Now if we follow the targets for this auto chart, then because this is big conservative targets we are having here, therefore I would like to follow these targets. Then our next expected target can be here, approximately $8.80. But it is also possible that we will have a bigger move because this is a really very big breakout. After the month of Feb 2021, we are breaking out this resistance of a very big up channel on the weekly time frame. Therefore, it is possible that it will be a massive move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.